Hi, my name is Danny Resco, and I'm with Century 21 Gold. Today, we're going to showcase this Southern Corona home, which has 2,363 square feet of living space. It's got 4 bedrooms, it has 3 bathrooms, and it is also a pool home. So why don't we take a look? And as we walk into the home, we have our kitchen with eating area on the left, and on the right we have our family room. And off of the family room, we have the 4th bedroom, which in this case has been turned into an office, or it could be used also as a den. Oh, sorry. And lastly, we'd like to show you the backyard, which has Jacuzzi, pool with waterfall, and it does have a bar with barbecue and wood for entertainment. So please, take a look at it. So, I hope you liked the home that we showcased today. If you have any questions or inquiries, please give me a call. Also, this home is listed at $450,000. And if this isn't the right home for you, don't worry. I promise I can find the right dream home for you. Remember, Century 21, smarter, bolder, faster, but most of all, cooler. Take care. See you later.